Yo, what's happening everyone? It's your boy here, Ibrahim. We're back again with another great, amazing tech video. The video of today it's all about unboxing a coffee machine. As some of you guys know, I'm a coffee holic. Does it sound good? I'm a coffee user. Does it sound great? I consume coffee. That's kind of abbreviation we're used to. I'm kind of like into coffee. Yeah, definitely. I'm kind of into coffee. So I got a coffee maker machine, which is from Beko, and it's really impressive. So let us just unbox this kind of coffee machine and test out our Kingsley coffee here. As some of you guys know, Kingsley coffee, I've been consuming it since day one we produced this product. And along the video, I'll discuss about the Kingsley coffee. But for further ado, let's unbox this kind of bad boy and see what's packed. Whoa. It's really bigger. As you can see guys, this is the Beko coffee maker. It's called the Beko coffee maker. Hey guys, here we have it. This is the Beko. Let me just open it. I need my knife. Whoa, handle with care before everything just don't split away. Hey, what's here? We're having this kind of tool which you can pick up your coffee and keep it at the top of, I think, of the coffee maker. We're gonna see how it works. And what's here, we're left with paperwork. This is paperwork, as you can see, shows you the coffee maker there. So this coffee maker is CFM4350R. That's the model number, I guess. So it's really kind of impressive. Yeah, there's nothing else here on the box, guys. There's nothing. Hey, here we have it. This is our bad boy. Let me just unbox that. I'm so pumped because I love coffee, man, and I wanted a coffee maker throughout a long time ago. So here we have it. And what's here, I think this is the power cable or the power dock which connects throughout the socket. Impressive. So guys, as you can see, it marks up to 10 cups, which I think that's the water level there, which is really impressive. And what we have here on top, voila, let me share with you guys something. I think this is the one which you keep the coffee inside, which it's really impressive. You can just keep your coffee there. And what's this next? You can see this is like a filter, which it's really impressive. And this is the one which stays here, somewhere here, I think somewhere here on this kind of jug. Is it called jug? What am I saying? I think something like that. So this is how it stays, and this is how it's returning back to where it is. You can see somewhere here. So this is the one which stays here, and it followed by this filter, which you can store it somewhere here. And after that, you keep water somewhere here inside. After the water level has reached, then you can start making your coffee by pressing the button underneath here. I think the start button, this is the one which puts up, but be cautious if you buy this kind of stuff. Make sure that you read the manual. And let's talk about the Kingsley coffee now. Some of you guys know I've been consuming the Kingsley coffee, and it's really impressive. And I'm about just to produce another next Kingsley coffee, which it would be the ungrounded but more fine coffee, because this one is not that much fine coffee. But for this kind of machine, it works best, because what it happens is just that it's on the filter and it produces that kind of coffee. So let's make some coffee here. So guys, as you can see, I'm done adding water here. You can see this is the maximum water level it's supposed to be having. Another kind of stuff which I didn't talk about, it's all about this kind of plate here. So as some of you guys, if you don't know, this is the hot plate. Make sure that you don't put your hands or anything. This is a hot plate. Just be cautious, you know. Another kind of stuff, we're having our Kingsley coffee here, adding it up here on top of the filter because the water is ready, and we're gonna connect it on the power and see how much we can get that kind of coffee. And yeah, it's really impressive. So let me see here, let me see. Do we have enough coffee? Yeah. Damn, that's smoothness. Let me just keep it this way. Yeah, that's great. So as you can see guys, on the filter side, this is the size of coffee I kept. Not a lot, but a little bit smaller. But we can add tons and tons of coffee if you want to. It's turn on. Voila, there we go, it's on. Now let's see things are cooking. Let's see. Because everything right now is steady. I think it's the water here, it's like boiling. As some of you guys, I told you, just be careful with this. You can see there the coffee start to making. Yeah, it's happening, things are happening. Nice and easy, nice and slow. It takes a bit of time for the coffee to be ready, because this kind of plate here, I think it makes it hot. I'm just touching it to be cautious, you know what I mean. So yeah, our coffee is almost getting done. You can see guys there, nice and slow. You can see that kind of vacuum. Is it vacuum? Yes, vacuum. It's just all over the glass. And this kind of glass jug, it's a glass, just be careful, do not fall it down, because if it's break, your coffee maker is done. You won't be able to make any more coffee. But overall, it's a great kind of coffee maker, minimal. And the color choice, it's awesome, because you know guys, I love the red and black. It's really dope. And yeah, it's really awesome. So that's what's up. So that's what's up guys, this is the Beko coffee maker. You want to grab it, you're living in Arusha, you can get it at Gadgetronix, and it's really kind of impressive. It's really awesome to make your coffee on the go early that kind of morning. Not only early in the morning, after your iftar, after your Ramadan, you're just like, I want to grab a cup of coffee after I've done my iftar. Then this is the way to go. You can have this a coffee maker, and just things are so seamless and smooth on the go. That's what's up. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll be catching you guys on the next one. For any kind of question, leave it on the comments down below, and I'll be getting back to you. And that's what's up, and peace.